Over here you can see that I have a picture, and now let's see how we can use this something called Guided Effect Collage option to make the picture look interesting. So to do that, you need to go around onto the guided option right here, as you can see, and then once you go around onto the guided option, or you can go around onto fun edits, and over here you can see effects collage is an option. You can go around onto effects collage right here, and once you go around here you can see the before and after, and now you can go around and divide this into two sections, as you can see right here. So you can first decide out the section of the images, or go to 3 sections right here just like this, or 4 sections, as you can see just like this. So you can go around and divide these out into sections first, as you can see, and you can even move these pictures around. As you can see, you can move this a bit down or maybe a bit up right here just like this, and you can really change around how the section actually looks right there. So now once you actually go around and then make the changes right here, you can also go around and resize this, as you can see right here, and make it look like multiple images right here just like that. So you can go around over here and then change out, let's say for example, and add in different effects right here just like this. You can go around over here, add in different effects right here by choosing out the pictures right here. So once you're happy with the result, you can go around and press the check mark button right here, and then apply it. So you can go around and apply it and apply the colors right here, and that is what you have. You can work around with the opacity over here as well to reveal the original image beneath it over here as well. Now let me just go around and select out something else right here like this one, and then you can see that that effect gets applied. So once you're happy, you can go around and press next, and you can continue editing in quick or expert mode according to how you like it. So that is how you can use the Guided Effect Collage inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.